Good morning and welcome aboard the Omnibus, folks. My name is Janelle, I'll be your driver. We're heading down Main Street and going to Chicken Castle. In doing so, please remain fully seated. Keep your hands on seat legs inside at all times. And keep your guys little ones make sure they remain seated. Most importantly, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride down Main Street, USA.
Your attention, please. Last call for the Disneyland Limited. Now leaving for a trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom. Grand Canyon and Primeval World.
Starting off our journey here in Town Square. This is your spot to hang out if you'd like to meet with Mickey, Minnie, and any of their sweet friends here. Over on our right-hand side is our Main Street station where you can board on and disembark at one of their operating locations, like Main Street USA, New Orleans Square, Toontown Depot, and Tomorrowland Station. You can also stay on board. Enjoy the magical tour of Walt Disney's Magical Kingdom. If you do, then we can take you through the Grand Canyon and time to go back to the top of the world. For their non-matter. Students are trying specific hats or ears or would like to even customize their own, that is definitely a spot to stop and shop. At the quick top of Main Street on both your left and right hand side is our two largest gift shops that we have here in the entire park, Disney Showcase and Emporium. We've now made our way onto Main Street, USA. Main Street, USA was designed after Walt Disney's hometown in Missouri. It was also designed as we walk in or entering the era of the 1920s. To the right is our Main Street cinemas that showcases 6 original Walt Disney films, all of which are in black and white. A little further up the walkway to our right-hand side is where you can pick up the perfect pick-me-up at the Starbucks just right inside. Up the walkway to the right is our Main Street lockers. That's where to hold our belongings for a fun day here in the park, so you don't have to. Across the way to our left is our Carnation Cafe, serving up a traditional American menu. It's a good spot for some good breakfast. And it was Walt Disney's favorite place to eat right here on Main Street, USA. Over to our right-hand side is our Silhouette Studio, so you can get a handmade portrait of yourself or just about anyone you'd like. Over to the left is our Candy Palace, that's serving up all kinds of sweet treats. All the sweet treats are made right before your eyes, and today's sweet treat is the Rocky Road. Over to the right-hand side is our Plaza Point, which is our year-round holiday shop. We're looking at Christmas decorations all year long. At the walkway to the right-hand side is where you'll find our baby care center for all baby needs, and our guest first aid is right next door. Straight ahead is our beautiful Sleeping Beauty's castle. Right in the middle of that castle is one of your gateways into Fantasyland. If you're looking for Toontown, continue to walk all the way through Fantasyland. Toontown is going to be in the very, very back. On the left-hand side of the Central Plaza here, the center of all of Disneyland, are your entrances into Adventureland and Frontierland. Both of those entrances will be serving as your gateways into New Orleans and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Coming up on our right-hand side is your entrance into Tomorrowland, and that is near our destination, friends. So thank you so much for joining me down Main Street. Remain fully seated until we're parked and the engine has been turned off. Please walk and step on your way down using our handrails. I wish you all a lovely, magical day today. Enjoy it here in the park. Good morning. Welcome aboard the Omnibus, folks. My name is Janelle. I'll be your driver. We're heading up Main Street and going to Town Square. In doing so, remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside. Parents, supervise your little ones. Make sure they remain fully seated. Most importantly, go ahead, sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Alrighty friends, looks like we're about to reach our destination. Thank you so much for joining me at Main Street. Remain seated till our parked and the engine is turned off. Watch your step on your way down using those handrails. I wish you all a lovely magical day today. Enjoy here in the park.